Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Open the App Store on your iPad and search for Kika Keyboard. Tap Get or the download icon to install the app. Wait for the installation to complete before opening the app. Launch Kika and follow the initial setup screens to download themes and sticker packs. Grant permissions when the app asks to enable full keyboard access. Make sure your iPad OS is updated to avoid compatibility issues. These steps prepare Kika for activation in settings without surprises or errors. Open Settings on your iPad and tap General, then Keyboard. Choose Keyboards to view installed keyboards and tap Add New Keyboard. Select Kika Keyboard from the third-party keyboards list to add it. Next, tap Kika Keyboard in the list to access its settings panel. Toggle Allow full access to enable advanced features, themes, and stickers. Confirm the permission prompt so Kika can provide predictive text and multimedia. Return to any app and switch keyboards using the globe icon to test Kika. To use Kika, open any app with text input and tap the globe icon. Select Kika from the keyboard picker to start typing with themes and stickers. Use the gear icon on Kika to customize layouts, sound, and swipe typing preferences. If Kika does not appear, restart your iPad and check settings again. Reinstall Kika from the App Store only if issues persist after restarting your device. Disable other third-party keyboards temporarily to resolve conflicts with predictive text or shortcuts.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.